Is your Chevy Trax key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. This guide covers 2017-2020 models. You'll need a CR20032 battery, available for $2 to $5, and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam on the side of the key fob. Gently insert your tool into the seam and twist to pop it open. Avoid excessive force. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up with the positive symbol. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together and test the remote functions. Replacing the battery yourself saves $40 to $60 compared to dealership service. If it does not work, it may be a sync issue with the car, in which case a dealer reprogram may be required. Case won't open? This is a common problem. Don't force it. Apply isopropyl alcohol or WD-40 to the seam and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to loosen the adhesive. Gently warm the plastic with a hairdryer on low heat to expand it. You can buy a key fob opening tool kit online for $10 to $20. If the remote still doesn't work after a battery change, try cycling the car's ignition key. If the remote is still not working, it may need a dealer reprogram. As smartphone apps for keyless entry become more prevalent, reliance on physical key fobs may decrease. Regularly replace batteries every 1 to 2 years to prevent failures. Remember to dispose of old batteries responsibly.